Ona thengia ya mathukuru ma KEMU kuheo mukaana wa kuhingwo kuumana na wagi wa kigina gia kuigana gutwarithia mihango yaguo na mbere, riu urugamiriri wa mathukuru maya niaugite universities citikuhingwo, kiuga ni hingitie maundu mothe marendekana. Kuringana na Vice Chancellor wa universities Prof Mauris Okoth, mahotete kuhingia maundu mothe maria marendekanaga gutwarithia mihango ya mathomo na mbere.
Not a lot of anxiety in the education sector because we are handling students who are both privately and government sponsored, and it is important that the students, the staff and the stakeholders are actually brought to speed about the status of things at the universities concerned, and more particularly for our case, Kenya Methodist University.
Okoth niaugite ni mathondekete kamiti njeru ya kuramata university ino, akiuga utongoria uria urari hau kabere niguo urahotometie uthii wa na mbere wa university ino na njira ya kuhuthira kigina gia thukuru uyu uria gitagiriire.
Towards financial sustainability, you can be sure we have reduced the deficit that we are experiencing to a very large extent. We have also been able to pay salaries on time. Our cash flow has increased. We have reduced our expenditures. We have closed some of our campuses, and we are only remaining with this campus, which is the main campus, Nakuru campus, Mombasa campus, and our mighty Nairobi campus.
Thukuru uyu ni umwe wa mathukuru matatu guku bururi-ini maria marutĩirwo mukaana wa kuhingwo ni kamiti ya mathomo ma university, ikiuga itikinyaniirie ikiro kuringana na watho wa kamiti ino. Ngiripotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wangui wa Gathugu.